Good morning, guys. It's today is October 26th, 7:30 in the morning, and I'm recording the video for yesterday, which is October 25th, Tuesday. Okay, and then I will do the pre-market video for pre-market notes for today, October 26th. So this is the video for October 25th, Tuesday. We had a trend up again. Okay, so let me bring back the notes, right? So notes were very clear, right? So either it could be a choppy scenario, back and forth with some upward tilt, but they can be small red at the end, or super green, right? So either it's a choppy with upward tilt or super green, right? Either or. Ideal scenario would be to hold above preferred buyers area in both, equal to green day. But if it dips below preferred buyers area, right, or breaks, then chop idea will come, this choppy idea. Till then, green day idea. Okay, if price breaks above preferred sellers area, equal to no shorts, right? Simple notes today, very simple, right? And then this is the note for Dow, some levels for the Dow and Russell, right? NQ's dream number 477, 5112. This dream number became the low of the day yesterday. Okay, remember this now. So here, right, so this here 512 area, this area became the low of the day, dream number, right? And this was a heavy confluence area. See, I specially put a note here, right? 11 to 35 is a confluence area, and this 1112 was a dream number, right? And the morning low was right around this area, right? It even right before open, you can see this 12, right? See here, the dream number. It basically balanced on top of it like this, right? And then you see upward thrust right of the open slicing through this entire confluence area, right? That was the sign buyers are active, right? Then you got lucky because it got pullback here, right? And here I said 540 or 536 while I was in Discord. I said 540, and I think ES I said 15, right, which is this. It's a pullback area, I said, to watch, right? And then you can see it, this area. Price pull back to 15, right? Poke below it to this area, pretty much close to it, and then bounce back up, closed here, and then break up, right? Like this. See, this was your trade right there. Both breakouts or this pullback. I took both of them, right? And then you bail out wherever you want to, because at least up to here, or you can take a profit or scale here, right? And then when you see price going there, right, and then getting rejection, come back here, you can again go long back to this, right? So why? Because you can see internals, right? They were like super green, trending up kind of. NQ as an open drive. We discuss all this thing in Discord, right? There is an open drive price action in NQ. NQ will drive the market today. That is all I put it in Discord, right? So while you're watching NQ, if NQ is open drive like this, right of the open, it is super green, and there was a bullish disconnect also here, right of the open, there was a bullish disconnect here. So it's all pointing to the upward, and then when you see this upward move right of the open, and then price hold this mid and VWAP, right, whatever this middle area, and then pull back to this 15, and then holds it, and then breaks out about this 22 is a preferred sellers area. Remember I said break above preferred sellers area, no short, right? So here let's say somebody can attempt to short, right? But then you can see it's an open drive, bullish disconnect. You don't want to short here, right? You want to see a pause, balance, breakdown, something, right? Or else you look for longs. The moment it breaks out, you take a long, or you can even take a long here also based on this open drive, So that's pretty much it for today's video. Everything else I don't have to walk you through it, because it's pretty green day. Internals were super bullish, so there were no shorts based on the pre-market notes, and also in Discord I said no shorts, right? All you care is pullback longs, that's all. Breakout longs are risky, overall still sellers are active, right? So breakout longs are risky, but any pullback longs you can take it, and I helped you out actually, throughout the day, at least until in the morning hours, right? And then later in the day also, in and out, right? But these are the signs, and then also we discuss about the 1 hour chart and all this thing. So yesterday's day was a green, and there were clear signs of the open that it wants to go higher, but the question was how far, right? This 670 is important, going into tomorrow, and then this entire area, confluence area, right? So here is important, and pretty much today's, I already saw it, today's Globex low is right around this area, so, and the high is right around this area between this yellow line, right? So just watch this area, this 589. Today this area is important, today October 26th, right? Going into the day, this area is very important, so either price has to trade above it or below it, So, but anyway, this was yesterday's end of day videos, notes and walkthrough, right? There is nothing else I can tell you. All you can do is pull back longs, right? And even they held it this 51 also in the afternoon while I was typing, right? So, but now then later on, this drop was happened due to Microsoft and Google earning after the close, right? And then they went down all the way. So this one, actually this area became the Globex low today, going into today, October 26th. So now, so that be all for today, October 25th video. And then these were the only trades, right? You either go long, take a profit at the backup sellers area, and you are done with the day. So everything I wrote in the pre-market notes, right? Everything works out well. Price was holding above preferred buyers area, broke above preferred sellers area, no shorts, only longs, right? And that be all for today.